Flash Gods, good morning. What is your name? Flash Gods. Flash Gods. Hmm? Not typing correct and name I'm asking. That is something like a company name. He not typed. I am watching. Good morning, sir. He typed. Dixon. Dixon. Very good morning. Dixon, super.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Sarvana. One more point. I know Tamil. Okay, you can speak in Tamil also. Okay. Islam. Islam, but not that much good Tamil. Okay. A reasonable Tamil.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. You can able to see monitor. So today the PBR will see. Okay, Unity PBR workflow. So date is 14. Shrikant, good morning. Shrikant, anybody I left? Yeah, good morning. Super. Okay. So open notepad. So what we are learning today? So we are learning HDR, HDRP. Okay, high dynamic. Sorry. Okay, rendering pipeline. Okay, rendering pipeline versus URP. Okay, universal rendering pipeline. High dynamic rendering pipeline versus universal rendering pipeline. What is the difference? One thing. Then in URP, we are doing full set. Same. Okay, the terrain set is in. Okay, almost fast we are doing. Rahul, good morning. Okay. So in URP, we'll do the terrain set full. Okay, we'll do faster, little bit faster, and I'll add some models also into this. Okay, then afterwards, while doing URP, what errors will come? I'll say okay, what are the errors will come? How to rectify those errors? I'll say this. Okay, then afterwards, we'll do that ball game. Okay, ball rotation. Okay, and camera movement also faster. Okay, little bit faster. We'll do this. Then afterwards, okay, volume. URP color grading. This is the ultimate thing. Okay, this is the interesting thing today. Jyoti, good morning. Okay, URP color grading is the interesting thing today. In this, what we are learning in color grading, shadow colors, highlight colors. Okay, by using temporal color correction, curves. Okay, temporal grading by using and camera focus defocus. Okay, this is also super good. Focus defocus. Um, then shadow color, highlight color is done. Then okay, so curves, temporal focus, yeah, all these things. Okay, it's more than so many are there in that. I'll tell you. Okay, what are the things are there in color grading? This is the interesting part today. URP color grading is an interesting part today. So difference between URP and HDRP. Okay, so this is only for PC. HDRP is only for PC. This is for mobile PC, all the even iOS, Android, everything. URP, Universal Rendering Pipeline. That's why they kept the name Universal. This is only for PC. It won't work for mobile phone. Okay, that is for sure. Clear? And after before this, what is the standard? These days we did standard one. Standard one. So I told already standard is going to stop. Okay, they are going to stop the standard one. Okay, they'll continue with HDRP or URP. Clear? This one clear? Yeah. So we are learning URP only. Why we are learning URP? Okay, because one is high quality and it will suit for all the devices like mobile phone, PC, Android. Okay, then your what do you call iOS, iOS everything. Okay, so all the devices it will suit. That's why we are learning URP. Both has PBR. This one also physical based rendering. This one also physical based rendering. Okay, so it will give high quality. Both will give high quality. Clear. Working process almost same. Almost same for both. Almost 99% is same. Little bit changes will be. That's it. Okay. Now in directly in URP we'll create the terrain set. Okay. So hi Jeev. Good morning. Good morning. Okay. Means how to open, I'll tell you. Already I opened. Okay. I already opened with okay URP. So while opening, creating a new project. Yes, 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 correct. Okay. One shortcut is there for that. I'll tell you. Okay. This is high definition. Okay. Rendering process. This is universal rendering pipeline. Okay. Rendering pipeline. This is a high definition rendering pipeline. Universal rendering pipeline. This is the standard one we are using. Okay. So some more also there. So templates, ready template, AR, VR, mobile 2D, mobile 3D, Lego. Hi, crazy Aniket. Good morning. Okay, third person, then first person. Okay.
Sir,
So, tell me.
sir, for what we are using standard, sir? For mobile phones or like
For everything, mobile phone,
for
PC,
everything?
both it will work. Both it will work. Yeah, iOS, everything it will work. This one.
Okay, sir. But
Okay.
we are going to stop using that standard one.
No, no, quality. We need high quality. Now that's why we have to use in this to anyone you have to use highest quality because the shiny part. Okay, more shining, more depth, occlusion path, shadows, then color grading. Quality sake, okay, we should use this one.
Okay,
This one is a little bit faster compared to these two. Okay, but the
okay,
3D, the standard 3D will suit for everything. Mobile phone, even iOS, Android, and PC all. Clear? Even Xbox Kinect also there. Xbox also there. PS4 also there. Okay.
okay.
So those
Got
standards. So Universal will work for everything. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So click this one and create a new project. It will take so much time. Again, we have to import all the assets. Okay. That's why what I did, I already ready means opened empty. Okay. And I imported so many sets here, so many presets to create terrains only. Otherwise, nothing. Okay, nothing else. Okay, you no need of doing anything. This is asset store. From asset store, nature related buildings I'm created. Okay, so this type of building models. Okay, models. Uh, so once you imported, it will ask means can I fix for UDRP? It will ask. Just give fix all. Just give fix all. Here one button will be there. So it will ask. Okay, this type of window will open. Fix all. Just give fix all and wait for a while. It will do it by itself. You no need of doing anything. Okay, let's 20.3. See this one 2020.3. Okay, this is the type we are doing. In 1918 again different type. Okay, this is the latest one. Today if you download, okay, this version only will be downloaded. Clear? 2021 also came. That is beta version. Means not it is in what do you call? It's in testing process. Okay. Uh, no. You can use it. I'm saying 18 version if you are using a little bit different version. Okay, different type. Just fixing is different type. That's what I'm saying. I told okay, UDRP selected, enter. Okay, once you enter, it will ask fix all. Just click that button, fix all. Everything it will fix by itself. Okay, this one universal RP high definition. Okay, this one also by default it will be there. Clear? Okay. So once it is done, then same way we are creating the terrain. Okay. First I will create a light. Okay. This is my habit of doing it. Directional light, my favorite light. I told you. Okay, so then I'll create a terrain. Before that, my habit is to create camera. Okay, camera also ready, and it should be there in 000. Okay, this is also make it 0 light anywhere, so it position not a matters, light position only the, okay, direction matters for light. Okay. Created shadows. Yeah, soft shadows is on, it's okay. Hard shadows I had given. Then painting. Okay, so ups and downs we have to paint it. See, I downloaded some brushes, I added here. Okay, so in presets I added so many things. Okay, so painting with opacity more. Which one I'm painting? Paint texture. No, rise and this one. Too high. No, I don't want too much high. Broader. Okay, slightly higher. Sharp, sharp mountains. I don't want. Only in Himalayas, sharp mountains will be there. Near to our, okay, our native sharp mountains won't be there. Very rare case it will be there, sharp mountains. I raised it fully. I raised it. Okay, sir. Why you, okay, raise it fully? Oh, ask. Yes, yes, I know. Mm, one person not doing. They'll do a team studio itself. They'll do. Okay, so one person they'll do one item. Okay, so one person. They will do. Yeah. Understood this one. Okay, terrain I created something like this. Okay, I raise it more. Um, then I'll add some texture to this. Paint textures. Fast we are doing. Recorder I'll close it. Okay, I don't want recorder. Simply disturb. Okay, create. So any grass texture, land or grass texture. Yeah. So one more layer for path, road texture. This one I'm taking. Okay, small size, and I'm making a path. One village is connected. Okay, so like that we are painting. You can make two, three villages also, and here some path connections. Actual city will be like this. Your native, if you seen in the top view, na, so it will be like this. So your native means another native will be somewhere here. Okay, like that. So then some other roads will be there, paths. Okay, ring road, outer ring road, something. Okay. Then I'll add some trees. So before adding trees, I want to add water. Okay. So this time this is one specialty. We'll add water here. Um, well, RP, ZT, water, rock, terrains, sky, rock, structure, buildings, buildings. Okay, I'll add, but first I'll add water. Just unpack material, forest. Nope. Fantasy environment, gizmos, grass flowers, ignite coder. I'll check it. Yeah, simple water shader we have. But simple prefab materials. Yeah, I'll drag drop. One more is there. I have even good quality water. 1 second, 1 second. So a little bit disturbance is there. 1 second. Yeah. Okay, one more is there. Water one. It's nice effect. Sound pack. Mesh prefab. Assets, default, no props. Okay, I'll see here in the asset folder, asset store, package manager. Check this one. Is it moving? I think okay. Magic Leap asset. Okay, my assets. You have to do 10 times, 20 times, then only you will be familiar with this. Otherwise, it will be something like another world. Okay, so practice. For more time you have to spend. Okay, so classic box, environment, water I want. Terrain, flower, painted, compact irrigation. I downloaded. Road flooded. Let it be. So in this place, water free. This one, simple water shader URP. Okay, universal rendering pipeline. So open in Unity. Uh, which one? Simple water. You type simple water. Okay, simple water. If you type, it will come. Simple water shader import. Okay, import. It will have animation also. Nice one. I like it. Okay, this one. Type water. It will come. Free one. The first one. Okay. Yeah. So it's imported. Yeah. Simple water shader. Yeah. Simple water shader. Prefab we got. Okay. Now we can drag drop. Both are same. Yeah. Both are same. Uh, this one. We keep it down. Bigger. See this. How lake is appearing. After keeping this, you paint. Okay. After keeping like this. Okay. Your terrain you paint it. Rise and okay. So this one lower and okay. Rise and lower. So take it. Brush size. Opacity less. It should be shift and paint. Yeah, nice looking. It is there, square shape is there, bottom if you see now, it will be there. Okay, so we made it something like a well. Then, if you want another one, duplicate it and paint. Okay, so double click this one. Shader I want. So wiser means I want to change the color. Little bit cyan color I want. Little bit cyan color. Sky I'll change now itself so that it will reflect here. Normal 2D style sky. For sky, uh, no, normal images. So, but here before texture is now it is lit texture, lit shader. Okay, lit shader. In URP or HDRP, it's a lit shader. Okay, so it's like this. But I want to change the shader of this one, like little bit cyanish. Material, where is material? Okay, this one water shader is on double click. Okay, so this material here deep color is on a deep color. You make it cyanish. Understood this one? I don't like darker things. Okay, that's why I'll make it brighter. Then light also light intensity one is then I'll make four so that I can see properly. Okay, okay. So now material double click. Okay, here cyan color slightly down. Yeah, this much is okay for me. Now, okay, add trees, all those things. Okay, so paint textures, trees, add layer. Now some different trees I added. So many things I imported now. So those textures also came. It's importing. No, some other things here. Is it old water well? This is for well. RPGPP. This is also a nice one. RPGPP. Then fantasy environment I used it. Fantasy forest environment. Okay. Then fantasy environment one, fantasy forest environment one. Okay. So that you'll get different type of trees. Okay. So double click, add. This is one error called pink error. So if you paint, okay, if you paint it, edit, go to render pipeline, universal render pipeline. Okay, for this one, upgrade project material to universal render pipeline. You click this one, everything computer only will do. You no need of doing anything. Render pipeline, universal render pipeline, upgrade project material to universal render pipeline. Artha aita, Arthamainda, okay, understood, Purinjida, hello, okay, yeah, this one. Upgrade project materials to universal rendering pipeline, very, very important. If you click this button, this ping problem will be then it will solve by itself. Okay. But after doing this one, anything again, one more import you did, okay, from package manager, any package if you import now, one more time you have to do that. Okay, only the new thing we don't have, only the new thing will have pink color. Remaining all normal colors will be there. Okay. So one more time you do it, again it will rectify. Yes, yes. No, standard to HDR, HDRP or standard to URP if you are doing it, that time only you have to do this. That time only that pink error will come. Whenever the pink error will come, na, okay, you do it. Internet full, okay, you have that how to solve pink error. Unity, okay, you type pink, okay, see texture pink color, okay, so many are there tutorials. You can try it, see, so many are there. Okay, internet full it is there. So the thing is shortcut I'm telling you. Okay, render pipeline, universal render pipeline, click this button. Okay, for HDRP also it same, for URP also same. Okay, here HDRP will be there. That's it. Okay, yeah. Which one? No, no, already there, already there. Okay, I worked already, so it is there. Okay, that error not came. No, it's already showing tree color, right? Yeah, the tree color, no pink is showing. Here only pink, but here it's not showing pink. Here random height given, tree density, brush size. Okay, so random height I had given here. Otherwise, switch off random height, lock width and height. Okay, and then you can increase. Okay, yeah. It will only take by itself. So my okay trees is done. Okay, so then I'll add the grasses. Different types are there. Okay, this time more I had because there's so many things I downloaded. Okay, different type of grass. I'll take this grass, this one, yeah. Add. Okay, so even one more I'll add now itself. Later I'll paint. Choose and paint. Okay, density, target strength less, this much, opacity less, brush size bigger, and paint it. Go near and check it. Is working or not? Yes, working. See?
Sir,
Ah, ah. Hello, hello.
sir,
Tell me.
sir, the grass you're painting is like a texture or like it's a mesh, sir? Grass.
Ah, nice question. Nice question. Actually, it's a texture. Now I am painting the texture. You can convert this one to prefab and you paint it. Then it's a polygon.
Okay, sir.
Now I am painting the sprite texture.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So only
Ah,
when we paint a mesh, it will react, no, sir, to
yes,
the when we
yes, it
create
will
a.
collide. It will collide. It will collide. That time only it will collide. Otherwise, it won't collide.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So, but
Sir,
prefabs are computer lagging. Okay. These textures it won't lag. Okay.
okay,
1,000 lakhs if you paint, it won't lag. But prefabs if you paint, na, it will lag.
okay, sir. Sir,
Okay.
can you tell me how to paint prefabs on time?
Add detail mesh.
Okay, sir.
Add detail mesh. You have to create that prefab and select that prefab and paint it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So prefab means it should be here. Do it in Maya or 3ds Max and bring here. Okay. After that, you select from here. Suppose you taken this one car now, you can paint it. This car.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, if this car is a prefab, you take it and paint it. Okay. So, but now I don't want to paint that car. Okay. Close. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
But it's heavy. Okay. If you paint like that, no, it's heavy. Yeah. So yeah, I didn't save it. URP set 01. Okay, so this much is ready. Now I want to add some houses. Okay, some houses I want to add. Prefab, drag drop. See this? Okay, size bigger. This is well. Sir, it will collide by default. Default it will collide. So if mesh collider is there, it will collide. You know, no mesh collider, na. So then add mesh collider, it will collide.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
mesh collider. Now it will collide. Otherwise, it won't collide. Okay, so fantasy houses I see now just now. Yeah, RPGG, prefabs, props, container. This these things are there. I don't want these things. Houses I want. Buildings. Yeah, this one. It will be less than tree only size. Okay, no need of scaling. Okay, so if you want slightly, you can scale it up. The door is one side. I see one more point. I'll tell you. This color I don't like. Model is good, but color I don't like. Why? Because contrast. It should be contrast. This one is it's merging with the background. Okay, so it should have good contrast colors. Okay, so that point we should understand aesthetics. Otherwise, people won't love that. Okay, colors give good contrast color. Yeah, here, yeah, here slightly you can change. It means overall it will change, not one by one. Like one stick, if you want to change, it's very difficult. Overall, you can change. Water we did na same way. I will show you. Okay, this is RGPP building. This one. So shader, search for shader here. Universal and pipeline shader. Mm, here, base color is then here. Okay, you can make darker like this. Overall, you can change. Okay, so slightly contrast color you can give. So this is my set almost. Water is moving. Okay, water will move. Uh, it can. So now, one second. I'll bring the camera there and I'll show you. Once I'll play. wa- Water will collide with the character? No. Okay, so you have to give that mesh collider, then only, okay, it will be calculated. Water slightly is moving, very lighter. One second. Okay, depth, race, speed will be there. Strength, speed. Let it be. Okay, I'll change this. By default, it will play. Okay, speed also okay. Depth, strength, second, normal material. This one. Water material, smoothness, displacement, wave speed, play. Yeah, it's playing this. Huh? You see this here? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's playing here. So speed adjustment we can do. Okay, hmm. No, it's increasing water speed. Huh? Wave speed, wave speed. Water reflection 192010 clamp. Second. There here water wave speed distortion. This is for shader. Water block mesh. Is there wave speed is there? Mm, I just increase the normal item, so it's looking. Okay, means water movement is appearing, but wave speed is there. Okay, wave speed is there somewhere. Okay, we have to check. Let it be now. Okay, but we have so many things to learn. Okay, so this is done. Okay, we have to do this ball rotation. One second. Here, directly shader we are drag drop we are doing now. That one won't work here. Okay, direct shader drag drop won't work here. Okay, one second. Camera control shifter. Okay, correct. This one how to create material asset material. Okay, so right click, create material. You should create new material. When you create new material, it will be there here. Universal render pipeline lit. Okay, before it is standard. Okay, before it is standard one. Okay, now it is universal render pipeline lit. See, if you drag drop, it won't work. If you drag drop like this, it won't work. Okay, so first drag drop the material. For that material, you drag drop the base color, then it will work. Okay, yeah. So like this it is there now. Now we should give that moment. First is action input. Input player input added. Then create an action. So URP ball action. Okay, I had given that. So close this. Okay, so then we are giving code new script ball. Okay, so roll create. So it will be there here ball roll. Okay, this one. Hmm? URP, oh, you can create all the games. Okay, so you can do that. Yeah, yeah. So this is specialty is that shininess and the quality is a specialty in URP. Okay, so in standard one, this type of hard shiny things won't come by default. Okay, and one more is there, I'll tell you that. Okay, so this class is an URP color grading. That is a special today interesting one. Okay, I'll tell you. One second. Ball roll is done. So rigid body not added. So rigid body. So this rigid body we should keep above. Yeah. Now play and check. Compiler error you should fix before. Here. The type namespace input value could not be found. Double click. Here that input space we should give. No? Input system. Copy. Ball roll. Okay. Done. Now play. So ball has to move. Camera should not move today. Now ball is moving, but control we not given speed. That's why it's not given. So 30 speed I'll give. Okay. Now control also should happen. Okay. See, it's working. All them wait. So I'll tell you. Okay, it will come next. It will come.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, I given controls to the ball, sir, and I have created, sir, but the controls are reverse, sir. I can't able to change it.
Project settings. Okay, where editor. Uh, invert input type is invert. We should give invert here. Input manager, input system package manager. Anywhere is there input type? Invert anywhere is there? Invert. No.
No, sir.
Input system. Physics. Yeah, player. In this player, I want input. No invert. Service, tag, timeline, code, version. No, in player only. Flash image, icon. Hmm? One second. What is that? Mouse controller, Unity. Mouse control. Sir, keyboard control. Keyboard arrows inverted. Turn around. Okay, some place will be there. Just go there and invert button will be there. You click that button. No, becoming inverted in my player movement. Yesterday I told for somebody I told. Okay,
Yes,
last
sir.
time.
I only asked, sir, but I cannot get the invert option, sir. I'm searching.
Mm, I'll tell. Okay, so I'll put it in the group. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. So this is done. Then camera. Camera. I have to give the code. New script. Cam roll. Okay. So cam roll. Already, if it is there, you can drag drop. Row, new, close, namespace, end of the file expected. So one more extra came. Yeah, cleared. So now we should give this peer there. Okay, so drag up and leave. And now play. Okay, so it's working. Now, so actual part. So till here it's done. Ball rotation, ball movement it's done. URP color grading, curves, temporal, focus, defocus. Okay. So right click, volume, global volume. You should add this one. Right click, volume, global volume. So add this one. Okay. After adding this, okay, you should give new. Okay, profile new. Okay, new profile given. After giving this one, see. Okay, don't forget global volume. Okay, this one new. Then add override. Post processing, these are all the things are superb, amazing. Okay, these are all the things. Okay, so first one I'll take which one? Everything is good. Okay, lift gamma gain, I'll take first one. Okay, I like this one. So switch on first, lift gamma gain. Okay, so color grading process, see this, both you can see, both at a time you can see. So keep window like this. Again, two views you can see. Shadows, I need blue color. Yeah, blue color shadows I got. Highlights warm color slightly. Sorry, this one mid-tone warm color, and highlights too much warm color I want. Okay, see the difference? See the difference?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so global override. In output also, if you want, there is one button you have to click it. Post processing for output. This is output. There is one option you have to switch on that. Mm. Oh, that's what we should give here. Okay, so fog, okay, both. So fog you can add for both. Okay, so one button is there. Okay, if you click that button, it will come for output also. Okay, 1 second, I'll tell you. Transform, global, local only. This is global. Priority 0. 1 second, edit, render pipeline, universal render pipeline. So not this button, not this button. I'll tell that one. But you can able to see here. Okay, 1 second. First, we'll learn all these things. This is the same in your Premiere Pro, FCP, DaVinci Resolve, New After Effects. Okay, every software you have this. Okay, one more I'll add. Okay, depth of field. Depth of field is awesome. Okay, so depth of field added. Okay, switch on the depth of field. So two types are there, Gaussian and bokeh. So bokeh is the real camera. Gaussian is the faked one. Okay, in Maya Max will be then like that. Okay, so switch on all these things. Okay, you can see it. I want a blur here. This is clear. I want blur here after some distance. Okay, you can do that. Max radius 20, 5. not changing. Tree before, after, even more. See, focal distance, focal length, navigation, blur it's not changing. Okay, let it be. I'll tell you. Okay, what is the problem? I'll tell you. Okay, post processing. Then color curves. Okay, color curves is this one. So RGB is the master. Red, green, blue. You can change. Okay, so red if you want to reduce. Okay, you can do that. Add key points. Add key on color. Add key on position. Push down. Not changing. This one leave it. Curves. Remove. Post processing. Tone mapping. ACES. Tone mapping is ACES. Tone mapping. Okay, switch off this one. Okay, then check this tone mapping. It's working. See this? Okay, it's working. Then remove this. You want glows, means it should burn. Okay, so like that glows you want. It's called bloom. Bloom. Okay, bloom. Okay, switch on everything. Some five. See this? Wow. Okay, see this? Okay, it's bloom. Even cloud also glowing. Okay, cloud also glowing. See this? Okay, this is called bloom effect. Okay, so then one more. Color aberration. Vignette. Vignette is superb. Vignette means this outline is there. No outline, it will make darker. It's called vignette. Switch on all and intensity. Yeah, see this? Okay, so vignette. So outline it will make darker. Focus will be here. Okay, this is one vignette. White balance. White balance starting stage only we have to do. It's a part of color correction. It's not color grading, color correction. So color correction. So which side? Temperature blue or warm? Okay, tint blue or magenta, green or magenta. Okay, this one. Oh, your good looking output came, na? Your good looking output. Wow. See, trees, everything shiny, shiny is there. Okay, I have one more scene. Okay, I have one more scene I have created. Demo temporal, open scene. Scene one, I think. Okay, so this is scene one. Yeah. So now in both it is working. Okay, both it will work. I added this sphere color. I'll change. So where is the ball? Go to sphere. Press here. Ball went inside, keep out, spear. Okay. So then texture of this ball, I deleted na, the texture. So asset, material, okay, drag drop, texture. Then camera. So I like this camera angle. So select the camera, control shift F, shift F, then play and check. I'll make it one window. Bloom had not given much more bloom, but both it works. Understood? This one? Clear? URP? URP.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so now focus defocus. Oh, sorry. I'll tell you that one. That is important. Focus defocus. It is there. Sphere. Background should be defocused and foreground should be focused. Again, control shift F. Okay. So for volume, global volume, vignette added bloom, added very less bloom. You can increase more bloom. So 5, more bloom you can increase. So before, after you can see, remove, add bloom. That much, okay. Then, uh, which is that depth of field. Okay, depth of field added. So switch on, Gaussian. Yeah, you got that blur. Oh, see this bokeh effect. Okay, so how much blur you want, you can increase. There's a number change. Okay, so 20. Okay, so this one 10, so one 50, 40. It's clear now. 5. Yeah, ball also blurred. Okay, ball blur, background should be visible. See, both will be visible. Switch off this. Don't add this. Okay, if this one you want means here 50, here 5. It's a bit clear. Even the distance. This is what distance means. Okay, one more. Bokeh is there. So bokeh I'll switch on. This is bokeh. Yeah. See this? You can distance wise, depth wise it is blurring. Max or Maya, if you want to do this one, okay, it's impossible, almost impossible for this big set. Okay, small objects if you want to do, at least it will take 20 minutes, 30 minutes to render. Maya Max. But here it's very faster, especially filmmakers who wants to become cinematographers. Okay, so for this is super good. Understood? Then one button is enough. So how to see through in output, I will tell you that one. Okay, next class. Okay, global volume profile somewhere here. You are going to change somewhere here. Yeah, just one button again. If you click, both will appear. Okay, somewhere. I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Okay. Yeah, I'll check it and I'll tell you. Yeah. So you can see in two windows. What is before and after? So this is before. This is after. Before, after. See this? Who don't want who don't want quality? Okay, who don't want quality movies? Okay, see, before, after. How much depth? Okay, everyone wants quality, na? That's what. Here, so
Yes, sir.
URP, Universal Rendering Process, pipeline, Universal Rendering Pipeline. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Then I'm stopping here. Okay. Thank you so much. One point next class I'll tell you where to change.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much, everybody.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.